In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Flow credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how credits are granted, and how to upgrade if you need more for heavier use. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Flow. Look for the official Google result to make sure you're on the right page. When you land on the site, choose the option labeled Create with Flow. This takes you into the workspace where you can begin building. If you're new, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account before you continue. That's normal, and it ensures your credits can be tracked to your profile. Once you're inside, head to the top right corner and open your profile menu. This is the central place to see your current credit balance, manage your plan, and find the upgrade options. Get familiar with this area, because it's where you'll check how many credits you have left before starting larger tasks. Here's how credits work. When you first sign up, you receive a one-time starting balance of 100 credits. Think of this as your onboarding boost to explore features without committing to a paid plan right away. After that, you get a daily refresh of 50 credits at no charge. These are great for quick experiments, light workflows, or regular testing. There's an important usage rule to keep in mind. Daily credits do not roll over. If you don't use them by the end of the day, they expire. To get the most out of them, try batching small tasks you plan to run that day, and check your balance before you wrap up to avoid leaving free credits on the table. If you find yourself hitting the limit regularly, you can subscribe to a Google AI plan via Google One. In your profile, click Upgrade to see the available options, and pick the one that matches your workload. Credits for these plans refresh at the start of every billing cycle, so you get a predictable monthly pool. The Google AI Plus plan includes 200 monthly credits. The Google AI Pro plan includes 1,000 monthly credits. And the Google AI Ultra plan includes 25,000 monthly credits, which is designed for very high-volume needs. If you run out of credits before your monthly refresh, Pro and Ultra subscribers in supported regions can buy additional top-ups from the same upgrade area. Availability can vary, so confirm what's offered in your location. That's it. Search for Google Flow, click Create with Flow, check your profile for your balance, use your daily credits wisely, and upgrade when you need more.